Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wealth building and exploring 5 income sources that rich people expertly leverage to achieve financial success. If you're eager to learn how the wealthy generate income and grow their fortunes, you are in the right place. Let's begin. First on our list of income sources for the rich is real estate investments. Rich individuals understand that real estate can be a powerhouse for wealth creation. They invest in various types of properties, including residential, commercial, and even undeveloped land. There are some important highlighted points of real estate investments that discuss down below as 1. Rental income. Rich people generate substantial income by owning and renting out properties. The monthly rental payments provide a steady cash flow that can be reinvested or used for personal expenses. 2. Property appreciation. Real estate often appreciates in value over time. Rich individuals benefit from this appreciation, which adds to their net worth and opens up opportunities for refinancing or selling for a profit. 3. Tax benefits. Real estate investors enjoy tax advantages, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These tax incentives can significantly reduce their overall tax liability. 4. Diversification. Wealthy individuals diversify their real estate portfolios to mitigate risks. This might include owning properties in different locations or types of real estate, such as residential, commercial, or industrial. Moving on to our second income source, we have the stock market and investments. Many rich people allocate a portion of their wealth to the stock market and other investment opportunities to grow their assets. There are some important highlighted points of stock market and investments that discuss down below as 1. Stock market investments. Rich individuals often invest in individual stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. They work closely with financial advisors or actively manage their portfolios to capitalize on market opportunities. 2. Compound interest. One of the key strategies of the wealthy is the power of compound interest. By reinvesting dividends and capital gains, they can see their investments grow exponentially over time. 3. Diversification. Wealthy investors diversify their portfolios to spread risk. This involves investing in different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments like private equity or venture capital. Our third income source is entrepreneurship and business ownership. Many rich individuals choose to become entrepreneurs, either by starting their own businesses or acquiring existing ones. Business ownership can be a significant source of income and wealth. 1. Business profits. Successful business owners generate income from their company's profits. They often reinvest these profits to expand their businesses, increase market share, or explore new ventures. 2. Scalability. Entrepreneurs have the freedom to scale their businesses, creating opportunities for exponential growth. This scalability can lead to substantial wealth accumulation over time. 3. Exit strategies. Rich individuals plan exit strategies for their businesses, which might involve selling the company, going public through an initial public offering, IPO, or passing the business down to the next generation. Now, let's explore our fourth income source, passive income streams. Rich people understand the importance of diversifying their income sources by creating streams of income that require minimal ongoing effort. 1. Royalties. Some wealthy individuals earn royalties from books, music, patents, or trademarks. These royalties provide consistent income without the need for active involvement. 2. Dividend income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds can provide a regular stream of income. Rich investors strategically select dividend stocks to build a portfolio that generates substantial dividends. 3. Rental income. Apart from real estate, they may invest in equipment or assets that can be leased to others. Examples include owning vending machines, ATMs, or leasing heavy machinery. Lastly, our fifth income source is intellectual property and licensing. Many wealthy individuals hold valuable patents, trademarks, or copyrights for their inventions, brands, or creative works, which they license to others in exchange for royalties. 1. Patents and inventions. Rich people protect their innovative ideas with patents. Licensing these patents to other companies can yield substantial royalties while allowing them to focus on new innovations. 2. Trademarks. Owning valuable trademarks for brands or products can lead to licensing opportunities. These agreements can provide a consistent stream of income without the need for active management. There you have it, 5 income sources that rich people skillfully leverage to build and maintain their wealth. Whether it's real estate investments, the stock market, entrepreneurship, passive income streams, or intellectual property, these strategies can pave the way for financial success. Remember, building wealth is a journey that requires education, discipline, and strategic decision-making. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice when needed, and stay focused on your financial goals. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on the path to financial success. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be back soon with more in-depth insights on wealth building and financial success. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth building insights. Until next time, stay motivated, stay informed, and keep working towards your financial dreams.